What is up, everybody? So today, we're gonna be reviewing, and you may see by the thumbnail here, I got my American ring on, got that from a cupcake, and hopefully you like my shades, my looks, and right now it is raining, it is tremendously raining, it's pretty bad out here, and yeah, oh god, whoa, holy crap, I'm gonna get drenched, whoa, my mug, of course, gets demolished, no, god, no, my mug, stupid rain. Together my mug as we speak. Hey, no! Oh no! Done? Okay, so now I'm going to it. It's only when I'm trying to assemble it. My god! Let me assemble it! Right now my sandals fell off. One of my lenses on my sunglasses fell off. God, this day! That can easily. Oh my god! Let's go! God! Of course, here we have our muck, and the cockpit can easily come off like this, and so as you can see, the carpet can easily come off, and there's a chair for your minifigure to go on there. And okay, so I'm trying to review my mod, but the rain won't stop, and it's immediately when I try to start reviewing it. But yeah, the cockpit can open up very easily. And I'm looking up at the clouds. Oh, look out! The rain, dude! Like it's only. What is this? So the cockpit can barely easily open. You can see your minifigure in there. It only is what oh my god! My pants are drenched! Or should I say shorts? So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. As you can see, it's very swooshable. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this whole mock building. I don't even have a sponsor.